In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add Mac to find my iPhone or device. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can add any MacBook model or any standard Mac device to Find My, and this will allow you to keep track of your devices. Everything will be integrated into the Apple ecosystem, and you can have everything located inside of the Find My iPhone or Find My Device app. So to start, go into iCloud on the Mac device that you would like to add to Find My. In here, you will see a list of saved to iCloud devices. Make sure that you are signed into the proper Apple account to see this menu, and all that you have to do is choose See All at the right side of Saved to iCloud. You will see a comprehensive list of everything that is currently saved on your iCloud in relation to the account that you signed in with. And one of the options is going to be Find My Mac. And as you might expect, all that you have to do is make sure that this is set to on. So double check the setting, and if it is set to on, you will be good to go. Choose Done, and it is going to remain saved. So as you can see, you will be able to choose Find My Mac and Find My Network, locate, lock, or erase this Mac and supported accessories. This Mac cannot be erased and reactivated without a password. And Find My Network, participating in the Find My Network lets you locate this Mac even when it's offline. So choose whichever option you prefer. You can control them individually, and once they have been properly enabled or disabled, everything will be saved, and now your Mac is going to be integrated into Find My. You can turn this off at any point if you prefer, and if you ever run into issues regarding this Mac device, you will be able to use the features built into Find My Mac, so you will be able to locate it, lock it remotely, or even erase this Mac from the account. I hope I was able to help you on how to add Mac to Find My iPhone or device. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.